Keyframing. Keyframing is used to change properties over time, like color, size, or any other property over time. Let's take a look at this. Over time, I want this image to become night. So what I'll do, I'm going to add a new node. And this is the keyframe window. I'm going to come to the first keyframe here. I have a keyframe set. Okay, I'm going to right click and add a dynamic keyframe. Notice that the shapes of these keyframes changed. This is a dynamic keyframe now. And I'm going to come to this point here, and I'm going to come to number 8 here, right click and add a dynamic keyframe. Now this is connector 8, which is basically node 8. So I'm animating only node 8 over time. So this is the second keyframe. I'm going to come to the image here and just make it dark. Oh, sorry, I have to do that through the primaries. Okay. Now, if we go back to the first frame, you'll notice that the image was normal. So what's happening here is that this particular node, because we chose 8 here, is being animated over time from the first keyframe to the last keyframe.